Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the MumuPlayer game emulator on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the MumuPlayer game emulator on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of MumuPlayer, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And once you're on the website, there it is guys, you will now see the download button for the app, just go and click it. And then the app installer will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click the install button. And then the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys, you will now have your MumuPlayer app, so just click this button to start opening your game emulator. And after that, it's done, you will now be on your game emulator, so just go to the Play Store to start downloading any game that you want and play it on your PC. But before you can use your Play Store, you will have to log in your Google account first. I'm sure you already know how to log in your Google account on Play Store, so just do it right here. And once you've logged in your account, it's done. Congratulations, you can now find and download any mobile games that you like and play it on your PC or laptop. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.